I'm going to be showing you today the WISeWATCH. This is a watch manufactured by WISeKey, which includes a digital identity inside the watch. The watch transfers my identity via NFC either to devices, could be access control, like we're going to show you how to open a door of the headquarters of WISeKey, or to your mobile phone or to your desktop. So the first thing is I'm going to be going inside my office, WISeKey headquarters, and I'm going to use a reader that is already locked into my door that has two things, that has two factors authentication. One is biometric with my fingerprint, and second, my identity, which is going to be sent from the watch. So I need to do, like I'm doing here, fingerprint recognition, and now I am opening the door, so I can access my offices. So now I will continue inside WISeKey, accessing different places, and I'm going to go to the conference room with, again, my watch. This is the only neat thing I need to have, is my identity, my watch, and the permission to access. So I will be the same way I did the entrance, open different doors. This information can be revoked. If for any reason one person loses the identity, it cannot open the doors anymore. So if a person is not working anymore in WISeKey, his watch will be immediately revoked, and the permissions of access control, either physical or digital, will be immediately revoked. So we're going to go in another conference facility, and now we're going to show you how, with the same watch and the same identity, we can now activate a mobile phone and decrypt the data that I have in my cloud. Again, I have to go through different access. You can follow me. So now the watch is going to be used for something different, which is deactivate the mobile phone data, which is otherwise encrypted in your mobile phone. This data is captured in your mobile phone and in a cloud, in a Swiss cloud, and Yumna is going to, with her identity, which is located on the watch, activate the app that will decrypt the data.
Here is my WISeID app. To get access to my data, encrypted data, I have to put my watch down the app and open my app. Here is finally my credential cards, my flight, my passwords, and my confidential notes. All this information are in my WISeID app, and no one has access to this without my watch and my phone.
So now we're going to, after the demo on the mobile phone, we're going to exit again through the door with the watch, and we're going to go to activate a desktop. So I'm going to access through the watch my main computer, the one I work every day, and I want to certify as well that this is a real watch, which is a secondary use of this technology, not only to decrypt your data or access, but also authenticate that you are actually having a real watch. So we're going to exit again through the same process. Doors open, and we go to the next room. So now we are inside WISeKey. In WISeKey, all the doors have this type of access control locks, which is produced by another Swiss company, by the way. And my watch, which has my identity, has authority to access different locks in different places in WISeKey. Depending who you are in the identity means what type of certificate attribute you have. If you have a technology attribute, you can access the data centers. If you are the CEO, you can access your office. If you are a developer, you can access the lab. Each of us have a different identity on our watches, and through those watches or smart card, because you can also use a smart card for that, will allow you to access or to enter into a secure environment. Obviously, everybody is free to access WISeKey through the same way I did it before, and just now I am exiting the company. So now we are at the WISeKey data center, and the same thing, I'm going to try with my watch that has my identity to access an ultra-secure facility on where WISeKey has cryptographic keys. So this is a very large data center that we have. And the same thing, we have the same type of readers, access control readers that we have in the WISeKey offices. But here I cannot enter alone, I need two persons. So we're going to be combining my identity with Kevin biometrics in order to access our ultra-high secure facility. So I'm going to do the same thing. The watch has my identity through NFC. This is an NFC reader, and it's going to request the biometrics from Kevin. So I go like this. Okay. The system is now flashing. Requires the biometrics. Kevin is going to produce those biometrics, and now we can access the WISeKey data set.
So now that we're in the main data center, we've completed the two-person access procedure. Carlos presented his watch, and I presented my biometric ID. Now to get into Tier 2 access, I can enter alone with my ID. Let's try and figure it out with the WISeWatch. There we go.